What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect the M-Pencil with your Huawei MatePad 10.4, do the setup and start using it for better productivity with your tablet. So let's start it. So first of all, to connect your Huawei M-Pencil with the MatePad 10.4, you need this USB Type-C connector that you can use to charge your M-Pencil, and you will also use this to connect it with MatePad 10.4. So first of all, let's just connect it with the MatePad 10.4 using this USB port here. After that, you have to connect this part of the adapter or connector to the groove part of the M-Pencil. So this one is magnetic, so if you bring it in the proper order, it will be connected by itself like this. So you can see now the light that was blinking red before, now it's blinking as green. And if you have a look on the screen of the MatePad 10.4, you can see that Huawei M-Pencil is trying to connect with the device. You can see that it is showing the message that Bluetooth will be enabled when connecting. So just tap on connect here and you can see that the Bluetooth icon is there, and you can see that 93% is the battery status of my Huawei M-Pencil here, and the M-Pencil is connected to the MatePad 10.4. Just tap on OK and you can see that it is showing the message that you can quickly access the notepad by just tapping the M-Pencil against the screen when it is off. Tap on OK and now we are good to go. So now we can remove this M-Pencil from this connector, and we can also remove the connector now from the MatePad 10.4. To connect your Huawei M-Pencil with your MatePad Pro, you don't need this connector here. For that, what you have to do, on the top of the MatePad Pro, this part is magnetic and comes with reverse wireless charging feature. So you can use this part to pair and connect your M-Pencil with the MatePad Pro and also to charge it. What you have to do, this groove part, you need to put just on the top of the MatePad Pro, and then the whole process will be started as we have seen, just like for the MatePad 10.4. But as you can see that here, this part is not magnetic and it will fall down, but on the MatePad Pro, once you put your M-Pencil, the groove part on top of the MatePad Pro, it will start pairing with the device, and after that you can start using it. And you can even, and this is how you can also charge your M-Pencil with MatePad Pro. So now if you go to the stylus folder, here you will find two applications. First one is Nebo for Huawei specially designed application for the M-Pencil for Huawei products, and another one is My Script Calculator 2. So go to Nebo for Huawei. So first of all, this is the setting that you will have to do. You will have to first connect your M-Pencil with the application. So just right here, just to give an idea that yeah, it's working fine, just tap on continue, and then it will show you a few details that how you can use the M-Pencil with the Nebo application on the MatePad 10.4. So whether you can just tap on skip or show me the gesture, it's totally up to you. I'm just gonna do the skip part. Just tap on use Nebo again, or you can continue the tutorial, totally up to you. So here you will get lots of templates that you can use with M-Pencil and the Nebo. So I'm just going to start with new one, new notebook. So now you can see that I can write here. Then you can select the color. You can erase, or you can just tap on keyboard to start using the keyboard with your M-Pencil in the Nebo app. You can also watch the keyboard tutorial. I'm just gonna cancel it. So and it's working quite perfectly. Let's close it and let's try My Script. Here you can see it's basically a calculator, so it's pretty good. and it's smart as well. You can see that it selected the 6 as not a number next to it because it was smaller here. It selected it as the number 3 raised to power 6, so this is quite good. And here we go. So this is super cool for sure. And once again, you can go to the notepad here, and then you can start writing notes or doing some drawing. So this is how you can set up your Huawei M-Pencil with your MatePad 10.4 tablet, and you can use it with Notepad or the Nebo for Huawei or the MyScript calculator too. You can also install third-party applications that are compatible with the M-Pencil and MatePad 10.4, and then you can increase your productivity and utilize the device perfectly for an improved productivity. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.